Today we are going to know how to solve the linear equations graphically. Till now we learned how to solve the equations through substitution method and elimination method. Today I will show you how to solve the linear equations graphically. This method is also called geometrical method. Now here two linear equations are given. Graph of a linear equation is straight line. So we will get two straight lines. If they have a solution, they will intersect. And wherever they intersect, that will be the solution. That point will be the solution. I will show how to draw the graph of both the pair of linear equations. In ninth class, you were drawing a graph of one equation. Now in 10th class, you will be drawing the graph of two equations and find the solution. Okay, now let us start taking the points of first equation. I will be writing the first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 5. Always make y as subject. Every time make y as subject, transpose 2x to the other side. You will get y is equal to 5 minus 2x. I made y as subject. y को जब मैं सब्जेक्ट बनाओ बोल रहा हूं तो x को ट्रांसपोज करना. ओके, तो y सब्जेक्ट बन गया. यहां पर एक टेबल ड्रॉ करिए. टेबल कैसा ड्रॉ करेंगे? पहले आप फर्स्ट कॉलम में x वैल्यू लेंगे. सेकेंड कॉलम में y को जो सब्जेक्ट बनाए वो इक्वेशन लिखेंगे आप. उसके बाद आप पॉइंट लिखेंगे x, y. यहां पर आप x के वैल्यूज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, फ्यू पॉजिटिव फ्यू नेगेटिव नंबर्स लेना है. 0, 1, 2, 3, थोड़े नेगेटिव नंबर्स -1, ऐसा आप वैल्यूज x के ले सकते हैं. ओके, ताकि आपका ग्राफ जो है हर क्वाड्रेंट में आना है. नेगेटिव, ये पॉजिटिव क्वाड्रेंट्स, नेगेटिव क्वाड्रेंट, हर क्वाड्रेंट में आपके ग्राफ, आपके स्ट्रेट लाइन पास होना है. इस वास्ते डोंट टेक ओनली पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, टेक फ्यू negative numbers. Your line may be passing through two quadrants like this or like this. We don't know. It depends upon the points. So I will always suggest you to take few positive numbers and few negative numbers and get all the points and then plot those points. Don't forget to take y as subject in any equation. Okay, so I made y as subject. I am taking x value as 0. So I will substitute 0. 5 minus 2 into 0, which is nothing but 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5. X value is 0. You can see, आप देख सकते x value 0, y value 5. मेरे को पहला पॉइंट आ गया. इसी तरह नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लेंगे 1. x की जगह 1 लिखो. 5 minus 2 into 1. What is 5 minus 2 into 1? 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. देखिए बेटा, x वैल्यू यहाँ पर 1 है, y वैल्यू 3 है. पॉइंट क्या है? 1,3. 2 पॉइंट्स आपको आ गए. नेक्स्ट, x is equal to 2. y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2, 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So x जब आप 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, y आपको 1 आया. So 2,1, x, y क्या है? 2,1. अभी आप 3 भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए. 3 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स लेंगे. y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3, 5 minus 6 which is nothing but minus 1. 5 minus 6 क्या है? minus 1. x वैल्यू 3 है तो y वैल्यू minus 1. अब तक आपको 4 पॉइंट्स मिल गए. थोड़े नेगेटिव वैल्यूज भी लेंगे. जैसा फिर से एक टेबल मैं यहाँ पर ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट कॉलम में x लेना है, सेकंड कॉलम में y सब्जेक्ट इक्वेशन लेना है और थर्ड कॉलम में x कॉमा y लेना है. अभी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट -1 लेके ट्राई करेंगे. y इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 2. x वैल्यू -1 है तो 5 minus into minus plus हो रहा. 2 ones are 2, so I'm getting 7. -1, 7 is the next point. जैसा ये 7 बिगर वैल्यूज के तरफ जा रहा, नेक्स्ट 9 हो सकता या 10 हो सकता, तो मैं यहाँ पर नेगेटिव लेने से अच्छा और एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू लेना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को -1 आया. देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि माइनस वाई वैल्यूज लाने को कोशिश करें, क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है, ये पॉजिटिव है. -2 लेने से और एक पॉजिटिव आता, मैं नेगेटिव लाने को कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपका लाइन जो है नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस में भी जाए. तो y इज इक्वल टू 4 लेना चाह रहा हूँ मैं. जनरली 3 पॉजिटिव 3 नेगेटिव लेते हैं. यहाँ पर 7 आ गया तो पॉजिटिव आ रहा, तो और एक पॉजिटिव लेना, एक ही डायरेक्शन में लाइन बताना वेस्ट है, इस वास्ते मैं 4 ले रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए. Now when I keep -1, I'm getting 7. Then that means if I keep -2, I will get one more positive number. But I want few negative numbers. So what I'm doing, instead of taking -2, -3, I will try to take 4 here. Why? Because with 3 I got -1. With 4 I may get negative numbers. So if I get more negative numbers, so the line will pass through the negative quadrant also. So I want the line to pass through all quadrants. So I am taking 4 instead of -2. If I take -2, maybe 9 or 10, I will get another positive number. And I don't want bigger numbers to be involved. If I get bigger numbers, I have to change the scale. So I'm keeping the numbers below 10. 2, 1, 3, 1, all are below 10. So the reason for not taking -2 is, again, I may get any positive number like 9 or 10. So I don't want positive number and bigger number. So instead of -2, I'm taking here 4. Let's see what we would get. 5 minus 2 into 4. 5 minus 8 is -3. Yes, a smaller negative number I got, which is required here. I'm taking 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 5. 5 minus 10, again I got -5. So these many points are enough. Okay, I got few negative and few positive y values. If you see here, these 3 are positive, these 3 are negative, and this is a positive number. So these many points are enough to draw the straight line. And let us first of all write down all the points of the first line in the next page. Let's start. 0, 5. So these are the points which we got from the first line. These are solutions of the first line. So let's write all these points at one place. It will be easy to draw the graph by looking at these points. Now I am going to the second line. Just see the second equation, x minus y is equal to 1. So I'm taking the equation x minus y is equal to 1. We have to make y as subject. So I would transpose -y to other side and 1 to left hand side, so that -y will become +y. So I could able to make y as subject. Y is equal to x minus 1. Okay, now let us get the points. Write x in the first column, equation in the second column, xy in the third column. Randomly take some number starting from 0. X is 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. So the point is 0 comma -1. Put x is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 comma 0. X is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 comma 1. X is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 comma 2, I am taking negative number. -1 minus 1 is -2. 3 comma -2, I am taking one more negative number. -2 minus 1 is equal to -3. -2 comma -3. And lastly -3. X value is -3. So -3 minus 1 is equal to -4. -3 comma -4. So I got few positive values of y and few negative values of y. So let us write all these points. So I have taken all these points and written in the next page. So below the table, you should take all the points. Okay. Now we got the points of both the lines. Let us draw the graph. Now this is y-axis and this is x-axis. This is positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Make a habit of writing the numbers. When you write the numbers of y-axis, make a habit of writing like this. This is not the correct way of writing. If you write like this, it may look like -2. So avoid this type of writing. Write on the left hand side. This is proper way of writing the numbers on y-axis. Now let us plot the first line points. Take the points of first line. What is the first line points? First point is 0, 5. 0, 5. This is 0, this is 5. This is the first point. 0, 5. Go to the next point. 1, 3. 1, 3. This is 3. Here you will get 1, 3. This is 1. This is 3. Okay. 1, 3 is the next point. 2 comma 1 is the third point. 2 comma 1 is here. You can see here 2. You can see here 1, 2 comma 1, third point. Next point is 3 comma minus 1. 3 is here, minus 1 is here. 3 comma minus 1 will come here. 3 comma minus 1. Next point is minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 is here, 7 is here, minus 1 comma 7 will be somewhere over here. So minus 1 comma 7. Next point, 4 comma minus 3, 5 comma minus 5. 4 comma minus 3 will be over here. 5 comma minus 5 will be somewhere over here. We got a straight line. 4 comma minus 3, 5 comma minus 5. So I'm joining all these points. In proper graph, you will get a straight line. There may be some error in my graph. Why? Because I have taken points randomly, not measured. No? It's not a proper graph. So there may be some bending of the line. But in your graph, you will get a straight line. You have to join all these points using scale, and straight line has no endpoints. So at the end, put this type of arrow marks. Okay. So first line, what is the first equation? Please go and check what is first equation. 2x plus y is equal to 5. This is the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 5. First line is done. Let's go to the second line. Second line points we have over here. Let us plot the first point, 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. I am using green color to plot the second line. 0 comma minus 1 is here. 0 comma minus 1 is on negative y-axis. 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is over here. Next point, 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is the common point intersecting. Both lines are intersecting at 2 comma 1. So I'm going to keep a star mark over here. Star mark. Both lines are cutting each other at 2 comma 1. If you see the table, you will have 2 comma 1 in the second line, and you will also have 2 comma 1 in the first line. This is the point where both the lines are meeting. Okay. Next point is 3 comma 2. Let's draw 3 is here, 2 is here, 3 comma 2 is somewhere over here. And next point is, let me check what is the next point. This is actually, make a change. This is actually minus 1 comma minus 2. By mistake I wrote 3 comma minus 2. I'm making the change. It is minus 1 comma minus 2. So here minus 1 is here, minus 2 is here. The point is over here. The next point is minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 is here, minus 3 is here. Next point is also over here. This is the next point, minus 2 comma minus 3, and then lastly minus 3 comma minus 4. Minus 3 comma minus 4 is over here. So I'm getting the second line. It's a straight line. You can extend this straight line. Straight line has no endpoints. So when you extend the straight line, -4 comma -5, -5 comma -6, the points which you have not taken will also include if you extend the straight line. Similarly here, 5 comma 4, the next point will be included. So always make a habit of extending the line. Now both the points are intersecting at 2 comma 1, so the solution of these two lines is 2 comma 1. It has a unique solution. How to write the scale? On x-axis, 1 centimeter is taken as 1 unit. Hyphenated word, axis, x-axis is a hyphenated word. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis, 1 centimeter, again 1 unit. Okay, so this is all about scale, and this is the solution set, and lines are intersecting, both lines are intersecting at 2 comma 1. If you go back to the lines and check verification part, 2x plus y is equal to -1, 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, just verifying. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If you check a1 by a2, you will get 2 by 1. If you do check b1 by b2, you will get 1 by -1. If you see c1 by c2, you will get -5 by -1. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Both are intersecting lines. They have unique solution, and the solution we got is 2 comma 1. Got it? So by the condition also it is verified they are intersecting lines. If you use elimination method, I will show you verification by solving these two equations by elimination method. Let us check whether we are getting same answer or not. 2x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Both x's will cancel. 3x is equal to 6. I am adding both the equations. X is equal to 6 by 3 2 times. X is equal to 2. Put in first equation to get y value is 5 minus 2. Y is equal to 2 into 2. Yes, 2 into 2, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Yes, x comma y is 2 comma 1. This is elimination method. So in elimination method also we got the same answer. The solution of both the equations is 2 comma 1. So this is how you solve the linear equations through graph.